Perp. 2. Go. Video's on. I have been sent by the elders for you.
What makes you think you can take me?
I am known to some as Baracus. Your skill is well known in our land. I have come to test that skill.
Test my skill, you will. Wait a second, let me see something here. I don't know any of your sisters. I'll have to do that later. Now, let's see about testing my skill. Oh, yeah. Is that the best you got? Mwah! I'm gonna get Sammy Sosa on your ass.
Whack!
Oh, what happened to my sword? What did you do? Good trick. Let's see what we can do about that.
Oh, what is this? Thank you for the present, oh foolish one. I'll be back for you later.
Trish, my love, please turn around.
What is it?
I met a demon today. His name is Baracus. Can you tell me anything about him?
Let me look on the internet.
So, Trish, what have you found?
I found out that Baracus is the devil's main assassin.
Ha 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 ha! The devil's main assassin? His best assassin? I don't care. I'll destroy him. I'll destroy his sisters too. Ha 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 ha! Oh, I can't. Now. Oh, so now I know who this Baracus is. I will destroy him, just like I did his sisters last night. Ah, they were so good and so tight. They'll never walk the same again. So what if they had blue skin and horns and they spit fire at me as they come in their mouth? That's no problem. I can deal with that, and I'll deal with him too. Oh, wait. What is this? I sense a presence in the forest. Let me get my sword ready for battle. Ha!
All right, baby. Let's just get it on.
Oh! So, you think I am afraid that I can't take you in without my sword? Screw you and your cheese balls, just like I screwed your sisters last night. Let me digress and explain what I did. First, I took your first sister and I rammed my cock down her throat. That was good. The other one was licking my anus as I blew my chunks into your other sister's mouth. Now, let's get it on. And 3.
Oh.